Hi, my name is Hannah Dombrowski, and the topic I chose for my final project was the John F. Kennedy assassination because of the major impact that this event had had on America then and even now. So, the article that I researched was The Assassination of John F. Kennedy, a Historical Perspective. This article gave an unbiased opinion on some of the most important features of the JFK assassination. It was first pointed out that Kennedy's murder fell under legal jurisdiction of the state of Texas. During this time, federal law did not cover murder crimes, but in this case, the FBI ran an investigation. This being said, from the start of the investigation, there were two different paths that were taken. One that was legal, established by Texas state law, and another that was illegal, laid out by the federal authorities. Lyndon B. Johnson, president at the time, was irritated with the Texan authorities and had doubts about them. These doubts were reinforced when a Dallas nightclub owner named Jack Ruby shot and killed Lee Harvey Oswald, the convict of the murder of JFK. After this matter, Johnson decided that the assassination needed to be investigated by the FBI due to the incompetence of the Texas authorities. After the death of Oswald, many began having conspiracies about the assassination that consisted of Oswald not being the real assassin. To end these rumors, Johnson's assistant, William Moyers, released a statement that Oswald was in fact the assassination. This did not work, though. So Johnson created the Warren Commission to obtain all the facts and evidence behind the investigation. After the first meeting of the Warren Commission, 4 days later, the FBI released the final assassination report. The Warren Commission would later produce a biased report on the assassination of the evidence at hand. The methodology of the commission is still being debated today. As I said earlier, this article was an unbiased article on the assassination of John F. Kennedy. This was written out to point out some of the important facts on the topic, not to depict what they mean. That being said, I believe this article will be useful for my final presentation because it sets a good base on which I could do more research. And then these are my citations. Thanks. Bye.